In this video, I'm going to show you how you can resize and center tables in Microsoft Word. So if you are trying to resize your table, but each and every time you resize it, it shifts on the left or it leans on the left. To center it is pretty simple. Just follow these steps. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to this channel. Alright, so here is my original table. I'm going to resize it, and as you can see, I've resized, but it is leaning on the left. To center it, just go to table layout and then head to properties. Now under properties, you can see the alignment for our table is left. So make sure you click or you select table and then choose alignment, and then under alignment, go ahead and choose center. So if I click on center and then OK, you can see this will now center our table. Now, if I go ahead and try to resize it, each and every time it will just be centered without me having to move the whole table. So that's how you can center your table in Microsoft Word. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.